Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce Android Auto and Carplay on this special head unit for Mazda 6 2013 to 2018 years. Okay, this is 10.25 inch IPS touchscreen. Okay, let me check. Very fast response. Let me check the settings. System. But motion, you can check model is PX5, Android version is 8.0 Oreo system. Okay. Now we're back to home. This is adapter for Carplay and Android Auto. Let me open the box. Okay. There is use menu instruction and adapter. You can check this Android Auto, this iPhone. Okay, use menu, and this is adapter. Okay, you can check this AutoKit USB adapter to USB. Okay, let me introduce Android Auto first. If you want to make it adapter work, you need an APK, Android or AutoKit APK. This USB driver. The head unit comes with two USB cable from back head unit. Okay, it's a USB driver connected. Device mount. It will play music automatically. Let me stop and install application. In APK installer, can choose USB 1 APK. You can check this AutoKit APK. AutoKit. You can download get this APK from us installing. Okay, you can open it. Please click allow. It's plug and play. This have working mode with 3 working mode. You see speed fluently compatible. Okay, let me choose the speed. Okay, this is let me connect the USB adapter. Okay, connected. It will show the message. Please just click OK. Okay. This is my Galaxy S8 Plus. Let me open the phone. Okay, you need to install Android Auto from your phone at first. Android Auto. Let me check my phone. But when you can check Galaxy S8 Plus software information. Sorry. Software information. Android version is 8.0 Oreo system. Okay, this head unit also. Let me check the settings. Just checked. And you can check Oreo system. Okay, let me back. Okay, you need a USB cable from Samsung, original USB cable. Okay, this is USB cable. One connect to connector, USB adapter, and other connector your phone. Okay, it will show connecting. Okay, it show Android Auto. Okay, it's working. Mode is speed. Okay. You can play the music from your phone. Spotify. It's Google Maps. You can touch control. Okay, you can make a phone call. Okay, already paired Bluetooth. You see Bluetooth. Okay, hang up. This is home. It's music. Spotify. Google Play Music or Pandora. Okay, this is Android Auto. Let me introduce Carplay. Okay, this is my phone, iPhone XS, iPhone XS. Okay, let me open my phone. Okay, you can check my phone. Let me check the settings. You need to find the series. So you need to enable this series. Okay. Software, let me check. Let me check. Okay, you can check this software information iOS 20.1. iOS 20.1. Okay. This is original cable from Apple. Okay. When you connect USB connector. Okay, connected. Let me connect. Okay, it will show connecting. Okay, you will get the Carplay. It work with Carplay. Okay. You can check this Carplay UI interface. You have phone, maps, music, and other you can install. Let me check the maps. You can check this, you can touch control this maps. Okay, let me home. Okay, this is Carplay. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, just contact to us. You can visit our website belsee.com to contact to us. Let me check our website. Belsee. Let me search. Okay, this is our website, belsee.com, belsee.com. If you have any more questions, just contact to us. It's our Tesla model. Okay, that's all. Thank you.